Welcome to our channel. இன்னைக்கு நம்ம எதை பத்தி பார்க்க போறோம்னா the Zebronics headphone.
This is the one of the best headphones under 1000 rupees. This headphone has a support to a wireless Bluetooth and it also has built-in FM radio. It has a built-in rechargeable battery and the standby time is 200 hours and the playback time is 9 hours and the charging time is 2.5 hours. It has an adjustable headband, so it is very helpful to fit on your head. The first button is used to decrease the volume, and you can also change the next track using this button. The second button is used to play or pause the audio. Then the last button is used to increase the volume and move to the next track. It also has a calling features. It has a soft and comfortable ear cups. The battery life is also too good. The box includes an aux cable and a charging cable. Next we hear the sound test of this headphone.
On our side, I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
இந்த வீடியோ பிடிச்சிருந்துச்சுன்னா மறக்காம லைக் பண்ணிருங்க, அதுக்கப்புறம் சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணிருங்க.